Mountain bike technique part 1. The video has been launched and you like it. Thanks so much. Especially my Polish viewers have been asking me tons of questions about lifting the rear wheel off the ground. And they're saying, Danny, are you lifting the rear wheel because you have the SPD pedals? Or if I have just like basic plastic flat pedals, can I lift the rear wheel? Yes, you can. People are flying with their bikes on the flat pedals, but I'm gonna show you that it's actually very easy and all the beginners can do it just by understanding one simple thing. And so I need to show you how do we actually jump, how do we lift our body from the ground without the bike. Once you understand it, you'll be flying with your mountain bike. Easy, everyone knows it. How we don't jump. Right, so jumping isn't just about lifting our feet off the ground, but actually we want to push the earth from our body. And then we do same with the rear wheel. Now same thing just with the bike. First off, I'm going to show you how we do not jump and how some people imagine you jump because you have SPD pedals. You see, this is how it would look like if we were only to pull the bike. Impossible with the flat pedals. But if you push the bike just as if you were just jumping without the bike, it becomes easy. You see, this is quite simple. You simply push the bike to the ground and then it will give you that energy back. There's also another second technique for lifting the rear wheel. That means braking with the front wheel. Your weight will move to the front and then the rear will go up, and that's the first step to the endo. And then when you see that it's not that difficult to lift the rear wheel, your front wheel will go up as well, and you will start to go over different obstacles by jumping. And so, of course, the higher you want to jump, the more you will help yourself with pulling the handlebars and also pulling on the pedals. You still can pull on the flat pedals, and it's not like you think. It will be much harder on a full suspension bike than the hardtail or a rigid bike, because the suspension is made for soaking up all the energy you are pushing into the bike. And you want that energy to lift you from the ground. That's it. So now exercise, exercise, and repeat exercise.